Welcome to the Taylor Law Office blog. Today we're going to discuss Florida family law forms. There's some construction in my building today, so if you hear some tapping, that's what's going on. So I'll get to the topic. Frequently I'm asked, well, should I use the free Florida family law forms online? Many of you know or may not know that the Florida Supreme Court publishes a list of Florida Supreme Court family law forms. They really cover petitions, post-judgment matters, financial affidavits. A lot of what you need in a family law case is on this website. But the question is, should I do it myself? Should I use these forms, or should I hire a lawyer to do that for me? And in some cases, I think that if you have the initiative and you're willing to do it yourself, that the forms may be a good resource. In other cases, I wouldn't recommend it. So let's just talk briefly about a situation where I would recommend using a Florida family law form. Short-term marriage, no children, no assets, no debt. Well, really all you need to do is get a divorce. So you could use the Florida Simplified Divorce Petition form. It's easy to fill out. If you follow the instructions and consult with the clerk and the court, you should be able to navigate that process fairly easily. A situation where I wouldn't recommend it is a situation, let's just say even a middle-class family, where they have children, they have debts, they have cars, they have maybe pensions or 401ks. The marital settlement agreement and the judgment forms on the Florida Supreme Court website, although the structure of them is fine, they don't have all of the verbiage that you're really going to need to adequately distribute a pension, for example. You have to have certain language or particularly like a military pension, or protect you if you are distributing an automobile, or you have a parenting time issue and you need the parenting plan to be constructed in such a way to avoid conflict. Really, an attorney is going to be your best bet, because the language in these forms isn't really there to protect you in all of these different scenarios. It's very common that I see people that did it themselves, and I'm not against doing it yourself, but they come in and let's say the parenting plan wasn't drafted correctly, so now they're fighting about who gets the children when, or it's unclear about property distribution and they don't know who gets the property when. These things are very common in a post-judgment world, and a lawyer, although you can never avoid every issue that's going to come up, a lawyer will greatly reduce that possibility for you and also streamline the process for you. I mean, it's a stressful time going through divorce. Preparing your own forms, it's confusing, and a lawyer can reduce that confusion as well. So, hey, if you have any questions, give me a call. I've posted some of the more common forms on the website that linking to the Florida Supreme Court website, but you can give me a call. It's the Taylor Law Office. My name's Chris Taylor. My telephone number is 904-339-5298. Thank you.